Hello from Tide Motor Medics. I've got a Bentley Bentayga here on a 2020 plate. I'm just going to show you what the car looks like from the bottom basically. I mean, this car here has so much, it's unbelievable. We're just going to go underneath the car. Right, see right there. I mean, the design here is all like VW anyway, so it's a German manufacturing, so it's pretty good, it's pretty solid. It's a four-wheel drive. As you can see, the exhaust itself is just awesome. Got the front here. Got 22-inch wheels on here as well. That is some cool engineering. Got the electronic calipers on there as well for the electronic handbrake. You can see the tyres, they're quite wide as well. That is just a beauty. I say, yeah, just thought I'll show you the car from the bottom. I know a lot of people wonder what's underneath the Bentley Bentayga, but that's what it is. So yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.